When you want to draw a structure similar to this one here, including oxygens or nitrogens or whatever, um, all what you need to do is just count the elements that you have here and put them as carbons first. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those as carbon. So make sure here you have a carbon. And then with the bond, just go ahead and put the same structure in there as carbons. So I want to change this into an oxygen and these two into an oxygen. So now you're going to go ahead and put the oxygen there and hit on whatever you need to be an oxygen. So this is going to be an oxygen, and this is going to be an oxygen, and this is going to be an oxygen. Want this one to be a double bond? You can use this double bond over here and put it between those two. So now you have your carbonyl in there. And then after you do this, go ahead and put the charges to get rid of the hydrogen. You cannot get rid of the hydrogen unless the oxygen is negative. This is the formal charge. So you put a negative charge on the oxygen and the negative charge on the oxygen as well. And then you put your lone pairs in there. So here you go, and a third lone pair, and this is a third lone pair, and here you have two lone pairs. You do the same thing if you have a nitrogen. So let's have another example with a nitrogen in there. Okay, here you go. So again, count your elements. I have 4 of them. So make sure you have here a carbon, and then let's magnify this a little bit. And then with the bond, just go ahead and put your um, elements in there. Here you go. Now I want to change the central atom into a nitrogen, so you make it a nitrogen. And then the rest, this is an oxygen, this is an oxygen. I want a double bond. Here you go. And then I need a negative charge. Here you go. Again, you cannot take the hydrogen away if you don't put a negative charge. Together with the lone pairs, I need 3 of them. Here I need 2 lone pairs, and then I have my CH3O. There's a plus charge on the nitrogen as well. So you go ahead and you put your positive charge in there. Hope this helps.